So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket, and we have an amazing news. Anthropic has released a free course. Yes, you heard it right, a free course for Claude Code. Claude Code is one of the most trending coding AI agents right now, and they have released a free course for everyone to explore it. So, as you can see on the screen, Anthropic Academy. Get in the know with Anthropic resources from API development guides to enterprise deployment best practices. The Academy has you covered. I'll be sharing the link in the comment section below where you can find the course. And the featured code is Claude Code in Action. If you click here, you just need to create a login. Once you have been able to create a login, you would be landing to the course Claude Code in Action. There are over 21 lessons. That's quite good. The course starts off with what is Claude Code, getting hands on, hooks and SDK, wrapping up. If you start this, you will also get a certificate. So do remember this. Let me start this. Let me show you how it works. And these are. Now if you click here, I think this is quite amazing. What is the coding? Just starting off with all the basics before knowing Claude Code, you also need to know what is a coding assistant. Then here is a setup video how to set it up. They have given all the commands. They also mentioned MCP servers with Claude Code, GitHub integration, core satisfaction survey, introduction to hooks, defining hooks, wrapping up quiz on Claude Code is also there that you can test out yourself on. 8 questions and summary and next steps is also there. The course is quite detailed. If I look at the curriculum, from getting started to know what is this is also explaining like about the SDK and all the important details that you should be knowing about Claude Code. I would suggest you highly to take this of course because this is free. Number one, number two, I think Claude Code is trending right now and it's one of the most strongest coding agent. It's creating waves everywhere and you should know about it. Thank you so much. I hope you like this short video, this information, and spread it across your friends so that they can also use it. Thank you so much.